Alright.
Recording? Right?
Yeah.
Nearly forgot.
It's
Oh
on.
shit.
Yeah.
Is yours still running too?
Blizzard World.
No, I didn't record the last one that we won. Such a fucking sorry.
That was gonna be one long, like, epic video of the night.
Yeah, I
Anyway,
think that's what I should do.
yeah, just
Okay.
Right, I'm taking junk, yeah?
compete.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll take my own attack or something.
What
I
are your
don't know
thoughts,
what to
Cheese?
take. Yeah, I don't know.
I'm
I really
taking
don't know.
Moira here, right?
Soldier?
Yeah. Soldier, you think? Yeah. Okay.
I was wondering if you're going to take the Winston.
I like the Winston. Yeah.
I was gonna say, Chris, Greg, and Cheese need to do a switch merry-go-round.
So, Ty, what you need to know about us here is that we have not figured out Blizzard World. We have a
It's like our worst
a
map.
horrible, horrible record.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Okay, we got a Genji.
Yeah.
Oh, fire strike.
Oh shit. Heals please, thank you.
Bastion.
Yeah, and they're going top. They're going top.
Yeah, I saw something on the top left.
Line
Is
of
it
sight them,
Genji?
line of sight them. Reinhardt out of position. Punish Ryan, punish Ryan.
I can't
Oh, they got a Bastion there. Watch it. Don't.
Genji
Don't
dive,
hit
Genji
out.
dive in.
Bastion.
Me out.
I'm
I can
dead.
see him.
No, oh. Picking out. No, that's that.
Fuck's
Bastion
sakes.
boosted by a Mercy. Freaking Rhine swinging. Oh, Xenobs and a Genji in the backside. That's nice.
They're already coming. I wish
Oh,
we just
yeah.
had proper ping.
They came up. I went to the high ground. They came up there. I think I could do.
Watch it, Chris. There's nobody behind you. Oh, I am, but there's not much I can help you with. There's a hog behind.
Oh, purple. I'm dead.
Damn it. We got Genji Mercy behind.
Messi's dead.
Messi's dead.
Nice on pressure.
Genji kill the Genji. Oh, Chris.
We need to get that
Watch your Bastion.
My
Yeah,
bad.
I've got an angle on him.
Move.
Watch it. Hide in the bushes, yeah.
I'm behind him. So if you guys just hit him from the front. Nice.
Ryan behind you, Chris.
Okay.
Nice sleep.
Oh damn that Rodok. The oh.
No mercy in the way.
Rodok.
Please don't shoot at deflecting Genji.
Roar up purple on the right. Zenith's sleeping.
That Bastion's going to be back just now. I'm going on the high ground again. Nice one,
Got
Greg.
a Genji on the back line.
Fuck.
He's above us.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to boot the Rhine off the payload, and then you guys have to focus
Yep.
We need to deal with this freaking Genji first.
I've got
Fuck on the right. Okay.
the on top.
Ah, he's behind with the Mercy.
Fuck sleeping.
Oh, Greg.
Right behind.
Ryan's kind of alone. Nice one.
Well,
Oh damn that Rodok.
can't heal you. Soldier.
Rhine.
It's fine. I'm trying to run away from the Rodok, but he hooked me. Found me, the bastard. Rodok's good.
Not yet, not yet, not.
Sorry.
You can stop them at the point, that'd be great.
Ah,
Ah, it's
One.
one. Good, good.
You'll get raised.
Rodok's going into the room on the left.
They've
Oh, no,
dropped the
no,
Mercy.
not.
Cheese, you're right there.
Yeah.
Genji.
This flippin' Genji is super annoying.
yeah,
He's
it's
gonna
really irritating.
They're coming around the
Yeah,
top,
they're
all of them.
They're coming. They're coming backstairs.
That Rodok
Bastion.
keeps freaking killing me. Like,
Hog is purple.
Genji killed me, he's behind us.
Hog
Halfway.
is whole hogging. Bastion's not dying.
He's got
And
no
I'm separated
protection.
from you guys.
Bastion is asleep.
Uh,
Purple.
is dead.
They got the point.
Watch this Genji on the healers.
Ryan has an ulti.
Shit. This Roadhog. God damn. Can someone go Reaper or something and just melt this fast?
Reloading.
Okay. Coming.
Sorry, saving us there.
Yeah.
Reloading.
What the?
No.
Pushed it way before.
If you can, yeah, I think Junkrat will be better if you can do it to freeze
Yeah, I
to
just
get
read
Rhoda
it.
coming behind us.
Genji just coming. Fuck.
Bastion on the right.
Roadhog gun behind us.
Nothing I could do.
Used to say. Still there.
I'm dead.
He's got a focused fucking attention.
Reinhardt has
Fuck
ult.
you.
Thank you. Ah! This is too much damage.
Okay, I'm on the Reaper now.
Guys, we're not focusing the healers. The healers are taking care of the Bastion.
Yeah.
It's very, very straightforward situation. Very straightforward.
Shit. No. Okay, coming.
I'm dead.
Bad. No, bad luck. That was tough.
Sorry,
That was very tough.
I switched because the Genji was just picking me apart.
That was very tough.
So, we didn't follow our own advice.
Which was what?
We see a Bastion, we
Mate.
switch to Mei.
Yeah.
Because that then allows anybody. Yeah.
I don't know. Check.
But
They
I
would
think
also cut off their
Junk is the right
angles.
counter. Junk is the right counter to Bastion, but you actually need the support around it.
And Mei and a
Else,
jump.
yeah.
Do you see how they attacked
Yeah.
that second point though? Like, they didn't bother going for the payload.
No, they went for
What
the
do you
team
mean?
fight.
Went go kill the
They
team.
went around. Yeah.
You guys want to start off with the Mei or?
I don't know
Wanna
how
tr-
we
I
attacked
reckon
us.
they can have a Bastion.
That's what I'm thinking.
Well, once we get the payload, we also switch to Bastion, right?
Yeah.
Or from the start, if you want.
I don't know. I'd rather go with the Zarya here. Looking at this. And give us
Yeah,
that
that was a
extra.
lot of damage. Sorry, it would actually
Okay.
work quite well.
Where are we going? Left? All the way left?
We go right, I think. Then through the
Going right.
choke, then right.
Stairs.
What?
Up the
Take
stairs,
that-
yeah.
We don't really need to take a high ground, do we?
Well, let's say that's
We need
that's a
shield, we need
it's a,
shelter.
yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm going in, but I've got to.
Bastion's on the top there.
Ah, fuck. I messed it up. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
I rescue
Yep.
right. Help me with Genji.
Got a hog in here.
They got a Baptiste in there.
Jeez,
Genji
sorry.
behind me. Genji got me.
Genji on me. May help.
Shit!
Oh,
No,
I'm
no.
dead.
No.
It's fine. They used ultis there.
Damn it. Okay. Oh, damn, that's a lot of damage.
Freezing Roadhog. Kill him. Got a couple of seconds and I can block Bastion off again.
Yeah, I've got an ulti.
Oh, Tool, I can't keep up.
Hurt it,
Think
please
point.
hurt him. Please hurt him.
We need to kill him, Mercy. Kill him, Mercy, kill him, Mercy. Shit, she raised the Bastion, kill the Bastion. Nice.
Good job.
Where's that Genji? Is Genji dead?
Know that thing?
I'm looking for him. I
Switch to
can't see him.
Bastion.
Should I?
Yes.
Are you switching?
You wanna pop this ulti and then do it?
I have an ulti, but
Okay, let's use your ulti.
Pop it and do it.
Am I going Bastion?
Can do, I guess.
They're behind us, yeah.
okay, Tomsh, you're the key here. Oh, Chris, Greg, you're the key to the. Okay, ready?
Okay, they're trying to come behind us.
Using it. Gotta take out that.
So,
Baptiste thing first. There we go. Eugene behind.
Genji killed me, sorry.
Oh, you got raised.
Watch the whole arm.
We really need that
Watch a Genji behind you, Chris.
That Genji needs to be taken care of. You need a...
Okay. Need a shield, okay? With the Bastion, because now we're gonna have to.
Going into the room, going front door, where are we going?
Yeah,
I'm running away from the Roadhog.
Okay, I'm coming with the shield, yeah? Okay, you're gonna come through here. Tumsh, come through here. Come through here.
Okay, coming. Yields.
There, another one? Really?
No.
Shit.
This isn't working.
Switch to Junkrat. Switch to Junkrat.
Okay.
Ult
Oh,
is
you
up.
gotta be
Got a
fucking...
hog on the right.
Tomsh, are you ready? If I ulti here?
Yes.
hook on the right. Coming from the right. Oh,
Hog.
They're down
Let's
a
manage
player,
hog.
eh? They're down a player. They're down a player.
Ulti.
Genji behind.
Behind the shield,
Hog's
behind the shield.
Bastion, Mercy.
Come.
The whole hog on the right.
Yeah, he whole hogged on me and he killed me. Ugh. Thank you.
Can't see my junk.
nice. Oh! Genji on fire.
Jeez, are you with me? Just down payload. Stay
Oh,
payload.
nice.
Nice trap.
Ah, fuck.
Oh, I'm dead.
Sorry.
Ow! Genji. 2 shots from bed.
Just punch him, everyone. He will die.
Coming.
Great pullback there, Chris.
Mercy out of position.
Ah, I couldn't finish it.
She ran away.
Anybody
Junk up
behind
there.
us?
Go, Greg.
Junk on the top left. Freaking hog.
Genji on the left.
Ulting it.
Hog behind. Hog behind.
Genji down.
Hog behind.
He's come round again.
definitely have to defend this
Nice.
fucking better
Well,
than we did last
yes,
time.
but there's only 5 of them, so fuck them. We're gonna kill them.
I don't
No
care.
wonder. it
That's
was so
why we
well.
won. That's the only reason.
I don't care.
Man,
I'll take
we need
it.
the enemy
I'll
team
take
to
it.
shoot themselves
take
in the
it.
I'll
foot
take it.
before we can win.
I'll take it all day long.
Oh,
Are we attacking? Same or?
They still got their Bastion, right?
Which
how
of?
do we get past the Bastion last time?
I think we did okay. The May. Yeah, I think exactly what we did.
well, no,
Um,
May's not going to work because you can't put the ice wall in front of him.
you can.
You can
Okay,
just
why?
run all the way around them.
So,
right?
so if they're on top of the right there, we just top right. We just go left.
Okay, well, let's start off. Do you want to go? Okay.
I agree.
Well, there's two ways. Either we block them off and go all the way around the left, or we block them and run all the way around the right. You don't have to go up to where they sit. You can go even past them, can't you?
You could go past them, yeah, but you
Then we come back
it's
from
you're
where they
getting.
would come from this wall.
I would say go all the way left.
Okay.
Negate the Bastion entirely. Just run straight onto point.
Pardon. Are we going left? I see you guys going right.
No, well left as in
No, no,
left past here.
once we
Yeah?
blocked them.
Oh, right.
As in
Don't know
through
what you can
first
see.
and then left.
There's a Hanzo up there.
We need to move.
Yeah, we're moving.
Will the shield go down?
I need help.
Sorry, I'm looking at the
Fuck
Mercy.
off. There's a junk here behind you guys.
Oh, I'm dead.
Breathing Baptiste.
No.
You, Mercy.
Oh, thank goodness you guys are okay.
Breathing.
Left you for a
breathing.
second.
Mercy.
Kill the Genji
This
on
one.
point. Kill the Diva.
Breathing Monkey.
Job.
Nice.
Okay,
Smooth.
are we gonna do a Bastion?
Yeah.
We need to
Me?
stay on point, guys.
Yeah.
We need to
I'm
stay
gonna
on point.
I'm gonna get on the
Run out of
payload.
point.
You guys.
Do I do the Bastion?
Yes.
Yeah, do it,
yes,
cheese.
yes.
I go Baptiste then.
The guys back, eh?
Okay.
They've got their player back.
Whichever.
I'll stay, Anna.
You guys heard that, eh? They had their player back.
Yeah, they have the playback. Okay.
Hold tight, I'm coming.
Junk on the right.
Junk behind, yeah.
Behind. We're just moving with the payload. Genji in us. Shit, we have to leave it.
Down with the.
I pop my ulti.
Sorry. I blocked you guys.
I'm on point.
I'm running.
Yeah, I'm
Junk
with you. I'm
behind
with you.
us.
I ultied all for you.
Junk top left.
Genji behind.
We can't. We're gonna leave the payload. We can't move. We have to stay right
Keep
here.
us sleeping.
Sorry, here. You want healer down?
Coming.
Yeah, Franco.
Some ulti too.
I'm dead. Genji alive.
Sure, that's a tight
That's all I
fight.
could do. No.
Damn it, that's a tight fight. Yeah, that
It's
was
their
a tight
fault.
fight.
It's
Like,
their
it
fault for
was
getting their
literally
player
under-
back, huh?
Look, did we switch over to the what do you call it too quickly? Switch over to the Bastion. We should have just rolled it or what?
We were too slow. We were too indecisive. So by the time I got there, we were, I was late to the fight. Okay, if they have if they're gonna come with their Bastion, I think we need to set up with our own Bastion. Out Bastion them.
We go 2 shield, Bastion,
Yeah.
Yep.
Baptiste, and Mercy. And
The Baptist, I guess. I
On
don't
the
know.
Yes.
How would you like to do the Mercy?
No, we've
I can do Baptiste.
this is
Okay.
good. This is good.
Reinhardt or
So Chris, your job is to get onto point if they
Right.
if they get past us, eh? Save the pull for when they get into that first piece of cover. You can, like, as they get into cover, you pull them back out. Genji, shield.
I'll go for that Genji wherever he goes.
Genji's bottom left. Ryan's on
Okay,
point.
point, yep.
I'm moving.
Okay.
Coming.
Moving to point.
Just stay there. Stay. Yep. She stay.
Oh, that one. Not bad.
Bastion's right here.
Oh, Chris, sorry.
Bastion's right here.
10 seconds, I have immunity.
Bastion's
Shit,
it.
I'm down.
Rodok behind
One
us.
behind us.
There's Chris though.
They Reinhardt got raised.
The Genji's on you, jeez.
They Reinhardt got raised, guys. That was the problem there.
Fuck! Monkey, Stella!
Is she almost there?
I don't know.
Uh,
Can you guys get on? Not. Oh, shit. Okay.
Be at a disadvantage if we go in though one by one. Like Genji.
Immunity.
Genji on the right.
Oh,
Road up behind. Got a Ryan behind. Bastard.
Nice one. Got a Rodok peppering me.
Got a Roadhog like.
Gotta get on the
really
point.
eating on you, man. Oh, hold on.
That's
Okay,
it.
they played smart.
That Rodok was a pain in the ass, man.
Totally. Man, he just ran for you.
Gotta get on point.
Oh no, we're not gonna make it. It's so far. It's a long way to run. Damn it. Genji too.
That was good.
So that fell apart because we let the Mercy res. If we deny that res, we have a fair chance at that one.
Which race?
Can I
That,
go for a smoke?
Wait, got the.
yeah, sure. That's
Yeah,
fine.
sure.
We're back.
We when the Rhino charged onto point, when we went down to meet them, and I set up under the under cover, the Rhino charged in, and we killed him. But then the Mercy came in and raised. If we deny that raise, I think we win that.
Well,
So
The Rodok went
loss,
to
win, loss.
hook Chris there, but he hooked me instead. But if he would have hooked Chris and not me, I'd
no, that Rodok was a nightmare. He was an absolute nightmare.
It was very good. It's very good.
Just hang on, cancel.
Oh wait, no, cancel.